How to fix login error in Chipotle. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down and click on your Wi-Fi to turn it on and make sure that it's connected to an internet connection. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if there's any other kinds of issues while logging in, you can simply swipe up and navigate yourself to the Chipotle application. Scroll down, tap and hold onto the application and click on App Info. Tap on Storage and Cache and click on Clear Cache at the bottom of your screen. Click on Clear Storage and delete the files from here. By doing so, the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other kinds of problem while logging in, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.